Husky's molded rear mud guards are perfect for 2004 to 14 F-150 owner who's looking for one of the most affordable ways to protect their corner panels and paint from debris, water, road salt, and anything else your tires can kick up. Built tough just like your truck, these guards will provide ample coverage for your rear on and off-road. And they come ready to be mounted out of the box. The thermoplastic these are made from can be painted to match your truck very easily. They're custom fit for your F-150 and they're compatible with or without fender flares. With an easy install that not only requires very minor drilling, I'll be giving this 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and expect it to take about 30 minutes to get these on. A price just south of 40 bucks makes these one of the most affordable options currently available for your rear mud guards. You're getting a no-frills option that's built to last while protecting your rear quarter panel and bed. If you're looking for a mud guard with partial steel construction or a pivoting flap, expect to pay about 100 bucks or more. Husky designed their flaps from ABS plastic, which is built to take abuse and withstand impacts and road debris. The matte black looks great on any truck, but like I said, these also ship ready to be painted with whatever color fits your build best. They're measured and designed for your year and model for an easy and accurate fit. With full tire tread coverage that is longer and wider than a stock mud flap, these will keep more debris down towards the ground and away from your truck's paint. This is great for the owners that don't always have the luxury of driving on a paved road but want to keep their truck looking showroom fresh. Switching gears to the install. It's going to be 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter with a time of about 30 minutes to get these mud guards on. The only tools you'll need is a 1/8 drill and bit, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a punch. Our first step in the installation of the rear mud guard is going to be, we're going to use this as a template. So just line it up on your flare, and then we're going to mark off our drilling locations. You can either use a knife like I am, a marker, a hole punch, whatever you'd like. With our 3 holes marked, we're going to take our drill and we're going to drill our screw holes. Now, with each of our holes drilled in, we can now mount up our mud guard. We're just going to take it, line it up with the holes we drilled, and just using the included screws. And with that screw in, this mud guard is done. Repeat those same steps for the opposite side and your install will be complete. That wraps up my review and install on Husky's custom molded rear mud guards. Check these out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.